Constructor usage in real-time automation frameworks, setup browser, load config, initialize page objects, constructors in action in every test launch. Constructor power and automation used for initialization of browser, pages, configs, data. Definition. Imagine launching a test case on a website like Amazon or IRCTC. Before even clicking anything, your automation script needs to open the browser, load the config, read test data, and create page objects. That entire setup runs using constructors. Analogy, Amazon. Load home, user login, cart, all before browse. IRCTC. Load train search form and date selector up front. Swiggy. Location, restaurant, category preloaded. Explanation. In real-world Selenium frameworks, 1. Browser setup class. The constructor takes the browser name and initializes the WebDriver. 2. Page objects. Each page class has a constructor that takes WebDriver and initializes elements. 3. Base test class. The superclass constructor handles config loading, logger setup, and property injection. Selenium framework use. Public class login page, WebDriver driver, public login page, WebDriver driver. This.driver equals driver. PageFactory.init elements driver this / initializes elements on the page. Closing curly bracket. Closing curly bracket. Constructor use cases in testng plus Selenium. Test initialization. Inject browser, environment, user data. Data-driven testing. Pass test data through constructors. Page chaining. Login page right pointing arrow. Homepage right pointing arrow cart page via constructor handoff. Simple rule. Without constructors, you'd be repeating setup code in every test. Use constructors to centralize object and browser setup. Real automation use. TestNG plus Selenium Grid browser launched via constructor. Page factory pattern. Requires a constructor with WebDriver. Hybrid/keyword driven frameworks. Constructor loads Excel or YAML configurations.